Hello everyone, this is Sari from Tech with King, and I am back with another new video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can run Linux in your Android. So let's get started. So I am going to run Linux in Android without any Limbo emulator or any other else Limbo emulator. So this is just a OS which is opened by the IP address which we are going to use in the VNC viewer. So in this procedure I am using three applications. The first application is Termux, the second one is AndroNix, the third one is VNC viewer. All these three applications are available in the Play Store, and the download link in the description. You can check out there and download from them. The first of all is Termux. So as you can see, this is the Termux. I have made video on it, which previous video you can check out my channel. So this is the Termux. You can command in this and you can do lot of things with this. So this is the CMD for Android. I have made video in this. You can check out my previous video. And the second application is AndroNix. AndroNix is the application that providing commands to install Linux in Android. So they are providing lot of commands, and you can see there is a lot of OS. They are providing Ubuntu, Linux, Parrot OS, and everything, etc. So and the third application is the VNC viewer. VNC viewer, you can add a IP address and we can connect to the OS that we are going to install in the Termux. So first of all, you have to open the Termux application. So you did not require to do anything, you did not require to download anything. Everything is done by the Termux. You just have to copy some commands from the AndroNix that provided by the AndroNix, and you have to just paste in this Termux. So the first of all, you have to open the Termux and you have to type some commands like I have shown here. pkg upgrade. So this is the keyboard. This is the hacker's keyboard. I also provide this link in the description. You can check out and download from there. This is the best keyboard for this all this stuff. So just click to enter button, and the Termux is going to check is there any update or not. So I have done this. So just you have to open the second application called AndroNix. So I've opened the AndroNix. So in this video, I'm going to install the Kali Linux in my Android. So there is a lot of OS you can check out. So there is the Ubuntu, DPN, Parrot OS, everything is here. So you can just check out there. So I'm opening the Kali Linux and just click to this install button, and will provide some commands. Just you have to copy it, and as you can see, there is a shortcut key button. Termux, where you just click to open here. So and you open here and just paste it and click to enter button. So it maybe take some time. Let me just fast forward this video. After a few minutes, they are completed the downloading Kali Linux. So just you have to type. They are already showing you can launch Kali with this command. So just you have to type the /start -kali.sh. So you have just type this command and click to enter. So as you can see, it will showing root at localhost hashtag. So the Kali Linux is downloaded. So just type clear. So as you can see, there is a local root host. So now you have to open the AndroNix application and you have to select the environment. So we have just downloaded the Kali Linux software, and we have to select the environment, which environment we are going to run that operating system. So most of time I like mate desktop environmental, so I always select mate. So you can select all these others like XFC, LXD. So I'm going to select this mate. You can select anything. So just open the Termux, and here I'm going to paste it, the command from my copy from AndroNix. I just click to enter, and it will be going to take a lot of time. You have to just wait here. and let me just fast forward the video and come back after it will successful. After a long time it has been done, and as you can see in the screen, they will ask you to enter a password. So I have just create a password. So they will not show you the password. You have to just enter. You have to just enter and again verify. Click to enter. So password does not match, please try again. So make sure you have to entering the right password again. So let me just again try again. So it will ask you to, would you like to enter a view only password? So just click to yes. Not everyone do this, but I do this because it will be going to provide me a local host IP address. So the IP address which you can use in the VMware. So here is the IP address 127, as you can see, but I'm not going to use this. I'm try to opening in the IP address local host. So just enter the password. So the password can be, and you can depend on yours, you can enter any password. So we have just completed everything in the Termux. Make sure you did not clear data or uninstall Termux. Everything will be in the Termux. The Kali Linux OS will be in the Termux, so make sure you did not uninstall this. You can uninstall this application and this application, but you do make sure you did not do anything with this application. Everything will be in this. So after this procedure only one time, so did not require to do again and again. So this is only one time. After you can you have to type some command, and as you can see there is a showing this command. The first command is this, and this second command you have to type the first command, then it will open the Kali Linux, and the second command to start OS in the VNC. So I have just done this settings, and as you can see it will be showing IP address localhost 1 and the password what I have entered. So let me just open the VNC viewer application. Just click to this plus button and enter localhost. These 2 dots and 1. So you can see here there is a localhost 2.1. You have to enter this in this VNC and name this computer. Let me just enter it name as a Kali and create. So as you can see it will create. Now just click to connect, and we'll be connecting to this, and it will be doing separate connection warning every time. So just click to OK, and it will ask you the password. So just click that enter that password that we have entered in Termux. So I have just entered the password and just click to continue. So as you can see, here is the Kali Linux. Let me just turn the screen rotation and give you the full review of this. At first attempt, it shows like this. So we are running this OS in the VNC viewer, as you can see, with the IP address and the password. So it will require the net connection. Make sure you have a good internet connection with you. And as you can see, it will showing Kali Linux VNC is connected. So when I click to this pin button, it will be going to hide this toolbar. So as you can see, here is the Kali Linux with mate environment. You can do a lot of things in this Linux. Let me just to show you. So it will be accessories, some of the application in the Linux that you can run in Android. So let me just open the internet. So here is the Chromium web browser. The web browser and the internet is perfectly working in this. I've checked. Let me just show you. So as you can see, here is the Chromium. It will like a Chrome browser. So here is the Google, as you can see. Let me just search anything. So as you can see, I have opened the YouTube. The internet is perfectly working. So if you want to use the mouse, so just click to this mouse logo, just scroll down, and as you can see, I can use as a mouse. This is the left click, right click, and this is the middle button. So let me just play any video from this YouTube. So as you can see, the video is playing in this, and you can do anything in this browser. As you can see, here is the browser. It's perfectly working. I have checked and have shown you. Let me just close it. You can zoom in this Kali Linux with these two fingers, as you can see, and where I point the mouse, it will go to screen. You just did not require to move here to here. So some of the application that is provided by this, and you can download any application from the browser that is provided by here. Anything can download it. So as you can see, here is the CMD of this Linux, means it's will providing the terminal Termux, like Termux app. So root at host, you can do some commands here. Let me just open the Chrome browser, means Chromium browser, and download any image that I can show. Everything is downloading from here. So it will be going to download folder. Just click to save. As you can see, it will be downloaded here. As you can see, downloaded.jpg. Let me just close this browser and open computer. Computer means the file manager of this Linux. Just to open the root downloads. So as you can see, here is the image that we just downloaded from the browser. As you can see, the downloading is working and the internet is working. So here is the Kali Linux totally fully running in Android. It's have lot of features that you can do, and you can also run Ubuntu and anything like this. So just click to back button and disconnect. So it will be like this. So here is the application VNC viewer. Next time when you are opening, just click to this VNC viewer application and Kali Linux, then click to OK, and you have to enter the password. So here is the Kali Linux. At any time, at any place, you can open it from your Android. So it is not required download or install again and again. So here is the Kali Linux fully running in Android. As you can see, make sure you did not uninstall or clear data of this Termux application, because everything is in this Termux application. So if you want to close the OS from here, so just click to, so it will be showing commands like this. You have to just click to VNC server stop dash stop. Just click to enter. So as you can see, the VNC stop. Now you can close everything. So if you want to open that again, so just type some, you have to type some commands like dot slash. I'm providing all the commands in the screen, don't worry. Start so you have to command. After closing everything, if you want to open it again, just open the Termux and type this command and click to enter, and as you can see, it will be saying root at localhost. Now you have to type VNC server dash start, click to enter. So as you can see, it will be started, and now you can open it in the VNC viewer. So as you can see, it will be open. So as you can see, here is the open. We're just disconnecting. So it did not require to install again and again in this Termux. So make sure you did not do clear data or uninstall the Termux, because everything will be in the Termux. And you can do with to this app, you can install this AndroNix. AndroNix have lot of OS, Ubuntu, Linux, Parrot OS. You can also install other than Kali Linux, like Ubuntu. You can also install Ubuntu with Kali Linux. You can install more than 2, 3 or 4, 5 lot of OS with this, and you can connect a lot of you can also connect a lot of OS in the VNC viewer. As you can see, you can lot of OS in this. So here is the Linux fully running in Android. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments. And the download link, all this application are linked in the description. So if you did not understand some of the points in this video, so I am writing a full tutorial in my blogspot website. So the blogspot website link in the description. You can check out the full tutorial in that.